When it comes to 4x4 convertibles, there's no vehicle quite as iconic as the Jeep Wrangler. This 2007 behind me has been outfitted with 40-inch Nitto trail grapplers, a 1-ton axle swap, and a custom multi-link suspension that's not only stretched the wheelbase of this two-door, but fit it with king coilovers at each corner. Now, all of this was done in order to make it work better off-road and drive well on-road. Now, one of the big features about a Jeep Wrangler that people like is the fact that you can get it with a soft top. It's easy to remove, it's great for family outings and wheeling trips, but it becomes a wear item. Now, over the course of the past 10+ years, this Jeep has had a few tops, but maybe the most consistent thing is they've all been Bestops. For the owners enjoyed not only the quality, durability, but more importantly, the fitment of the top. For this latest top, he's going to go with a Bestop Trektop NX Plus. Now, what's special about this top is not only do you get the Sunrider feature with it, and it's frameless, so it's very easy and light to put on the vehicle, but you can actually get it in a color option. And for this one, it's going to go with a Oak Tan Twill. So we're going to be checking out how the top is to put on. We're going to be showing you some of the features of it and taking this thing off-road because, well, it's a Jeep on 40s and we like to have fun. Bestop does a great job on cutting down the install time by shipping the new top with the header assembly already installed. Another feature we like are these 2 map pockets. These are ideal considering Jeeps have limited storage and they're perfect for cell phones or sunglasses or anything that's light that you need to have close by. The Trektop NX Plus is what we would consider a frameless style top, so you don't have a big substructure like you would have on the original OE top. All it uses is this rear bar and the Sunrider feature to secure the top material. This keeps it plenty tight, but it doesn't have a lot of bulky material to get damaged on the trail, and it looks extremely clean when you have the side windows out. For anyone that spends a lot of time on a dusty trail and going off-road, especially here in the muddy southeast, you realize that you get dirt inside of the zipper. So one of the things that we really like is the fact that this actually doesn't have a lot of zippers. The side windows, in fact, can slide right out just on the little groove system. The rear window, however, does have a zipper to keep it taut in the back, but that's it. So it's pretty fast to kind of take everything off so you can hit the trail and not worry about tearing up your nice new windows. While we wouldn't classify the inside of this Jeep as quiet by any means, we don't believe that the top is contributing to any of the noise. In fact, even at 70 miles an hour, we're not getting any wind whistle and the windows are staying tight, so you're not getting a lot of movement from the top. Overall, making for a better cabin experience.